Hi everyone, today I am going to show you to prepare a bootable USB drive using Ventoy. For that, first we'll have to download Ventoy from Ventoy website. Just click on this part and you'll get, I have Windows, so I'm going to download for Windows application. You can see the download has started. As soon as the download completes, we'll have to extract this Ventoy. Extract here. I have extracted that Ventoy folder. Let's go into that and click on Ventoy to disk. You'll have to insert your pen drive or USB disk. You can see the USB disk is selected. Now just we'll have to click install. Click on S, again the S, and keep in mind you should keep your backup before performing this operation. Our Ventoy installation has successfully completed. We can close this application and move to the USB drive. Now you can just copy and paste the ISO image files in the USB drive, and this is going to work. One of the best part that I like using this Ventoy is that we do not have to change our boot mode while booting our system. That means it is going to work for both UEFI and legacy mode. No need to change, we do not have to change the boot mode. We can directly boot our system using this Ventoy. Now I am going to change the graphical user interface to command line interface because the command line interface is much faster and better. So for that, let's go to Ventoy plugin, click on start. Now you can click on theme plugin. Now you can change the go to display mode and change this GUI to CLI. Just click in this part and click on CLI. Now setting is done. You can close this window, stop, click on yes and exit. Now let's close this and go to our USB drive and let's check the changes. You can see this file has added in our drive. This is the command line. Now let's check by restarting our system and check if this Ventoy is working or not. For that, let's reboot our system. Now enter to the boot menu. Select your USB drive. You can see the Ventoy has worked. Let's click on Acronics and boot in normal mode. Let's click on Acronics True Image 2014. Loading process has started. Now I am going to close this Acronics loader and try another ISO image in the same way and run the semantic in normal mode. You can see loading has started. I am going to check if this semantic is going to run normally or not. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.